Hi everybody, the pilot light on my water heater went out yesterday, so I'm making this little video to show you guys how to turn your pilot back on your water heater. So let's make sure that to do that you have something ready to light that pilot on. So I got my little lighter and a piece of paper. So, and I got a little cup right here with water. You'll see what for later. Okay, let's see. You see this little knob right here? This is where your water heater is on right now. It went out yesterday. So first thing you want to do is turn it all the way to the off position. This is your reset button. What this is for is to turn your pilot on. You're gonna press on it, you're gonna hold it while you lighting your pilot. And this right here, it's for the temperature on your water. So this is 130 degrees and this is 120 degrees. You always want to keep it between. So but to light your pilot on, you want to turn it all the way to the off position. So it's on the off position. So let's go to the next step. Take this little covers off. Oh my God. Okay, let's see what's down there. Move this side. Okay. Okay. This right here is your gas line for your blower. That's the blower for the water heater, and where the pilot light is, it's right behind this thing right here. So it should be back here. So you got this little gas line that's for your pilot, and this little wire that you see running through that goes next to the pilot, that's your thermostat. So let's light it up. Okay, before I forget, before you light off your pilot light, you have to go back to this knob, and you're gonna turn it to pilot position. So, and after that, now we're ready to light your pilot light. Okay, you light your little paper. Now that you got the knob on the pilot. Ah, crap. Let's do it one more time. Come on, come on. Okay. Let's see. Okay, now let's do it. Now I press the little reset button. And you can see my pilot light is on, and you want to hold that, let's say 30 seconds. You know, they say for 1 minute, but I just gonna hold it for a little bit. So I'm gonna hold it, make sure my pilot light is on. Hold it and hold it and just hold it. Okay, I don't know how long it's been, but I'm just gonna let it go. So I let go. I make sure my pilot light is on. We're gonna take the knob now. We're gonna put it on the on position. Make sure your pilot light is still on. And now let's set your thermostat back to your desired temperature. So let's put it back again between forgot to show you this. Okay, you see your pilot light still on, and you want to turn that knob to your desired setting. Now you're gonna see how your blower works. Okay, now that I show you that, let's move this. Ouch. Okay, I don't think that's gonna happen to you, but it happened to me. So we're gonna set it back between 120 and 130, and then we have to place the little covers back on, and voila, you got your pilot light and your water heater working again. I hope this helps you, and have a good day. Bye bye.